Hey guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. Today is Feb 14 and what's up for today? I don't know. Just don't forget to hit like and subscribe, share peace and love. Busy pa bitaw ko agaw, nag-work pa siya. So still working and unya pa ko mag-work gabi kay night shift ta nga #work from home. Oh, kapoy. But for now, we'll go to the city of Iligan City. We'll go to the city of Iligan. We'll go sa ambot asa mga to sa basta mga dumi sa kanang syudad sa Iligan. Tara, mo travel ta, mo teleport ta in 3, 2, 1. So guys, we are here at Sunburst Iligan City and we are waiting for our cousins to arrive because we are having a lunch out. And we reserved 15 seats. As usual, J&J is early. Panawakan sabi mga pinsan, nasa na kayo? And then there's a little situation I'm currently facing right now. Today is Valentine's Day and I am literally wet. Literally wet. Yuck. I don't know where I got this, but I think it's from the jeepney. Excitement. Pero naman sa mabaw, so wala na sa atay. Hopefully it gets dry sooner because I don't wanna go outside roaming around while my butt is wet. Wala na mong order pero wala pa mong mga gago. Where are you now? So yeah, I just wanna find some restroom because I wanna do my own thing. Mangihi sa ta kay kahiod kay ko nya mga omanta so dapat mangihi ta. Aha. Me. Palpak.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Dito vlog. Yeah. Laban fish. Hey. Yay, thank you sa durian. Alright. Hi guys. Time to eat. Wow, magic. Manami yung kaon guys. And then, wala na mo narot among pagkaon. Kitaghan kayo mag-order. So, si Janjan na lang ang nagkaon. Kaya niyang ubusin lahat ng pagkaon. By the way, tag-om ni kay guys. If you don't know, if you're not in the Philippines, natukan ko. If you're not from the Philippines, today is February 14 and there's a typhoon around. That's why wala ako kauli sa Cebu. Supposedly this afternoon mauli na ako Cebu, but na-cancel ang trip because of the typhoon. And then if you followed me on Instagram, you've seen my Instagram stories. So sorry na nandaan nga. Gabi akong concert sa IG stories. Sumaw na siya ang rason nga na magulan at sa gunya. So like and subscribe. Let's go to the next destination. I don't know where, but probably gonna be a Valentine's date with the all-star cousins. So let's go. Mana kaming jeep. Tara. So we are off to our next destination. I don't know where, but probably just gonna chill. Pasok.
7-Eleven. Bayaran na nila mo tanan. Charot.
Wow.
Ilaw sa ninyo.
Alright. Ahata pa dulong.
We're pag-chinky Iligan lang.
Umanda.
1, 2, 3. Masay Jaman. Sama na siya. So we're going to a video.
The vlog.
So we're like having our Valentine's Day something and
Mahimo na na siya yan.
Ayaw mo na ulam na nun ko.
Ayaw ka ulam.
Isum.
Si Jesus.
Ikaw ang leader ron, ikaw ang kamagawangan.
Ano, nasa kayo sige. Litihi ko ninyo, please. Iprinda, please. Ayaw lang, litihi lang ko ninyo. Ay, sayang, Mary.
Kuya driver mo. Dapat ka kaniya mong iplipin.
Natutali na lang iring. Yan ang iring nga magana.
Hindi na namin regalo niya siyang asawa.
Season.
Happy birthday na kuya ka. Ipala change. Yay! Ihuno may 7-Eleven kuya.
Baligya ni Cristela.
Salamat sa Pamiliti Mars.
Basta gapit ako.
Hindi na. You're vlogger para ma-appeal ko.
Like and subscribe. So guys, we are still here in Iligan. Dapat dulu mo eh. Gusto niya tuwa-tuwan.
Hello sir, we got the chinky.
So we are here at Chinky Tea here in Iligan and sa Minadere. It's my first time here. So milk tira dire. Actually guys, giduka bita ko kay usa ko sa tulog gabi kay night shift naman ta. So giduka bita ko pero I don't want to drink coffee because I want to sleep after this date. So inana. So mana busog na kayo may guys. And then I think we're already going home. Wala ka muli kay nako dapat na ko pagkauan nga mani kung biyahe pa ko tonight or dili. So wala hindi pa.
Guys.
What's up guys? Di pa may manguli. Kay hashtag
Kita kami date.
Maganda. No, SBR. Ako lang hipo sa ng camera kaya narami sa dalan niya. Basta unsa ni may tabo diri so safety first. So Valentine's Day #be safe.
Peace out.
Share peace and love. And we're back here at the room. It's 4:25 in the afternoon and we had a good sleep around an hour or two. I don't know. But we're back hustling, working from home.
Facebook.
Nag-Facebook ka day. So, yeah, I won't vlog anymore. I won't vlog anymore. The while we're working. So before I do a transition like this, like that, or like that, I want to ask you. I'm asking you. How do you want to be called as my viewers? Oh, this is so cringy. Oh my god, feel like I go. So yeah, I want to ask you, how do you want to be called? I wanted something fun, like related to traveling or vlogging or whatever. I want you to feel that you're important, and I want you to feel that I am very thankful and grateful that you are keeping on watching my videos, supporting my work. Comment down below for your suggestions, and I would love to hear that. Let's transition in 3, 2, 1. So, focus on me. Focus on me. Okay, so the time has come. It's already 8 in the evening and we have to go now. Oh my god, my bag is so heavy. I don't know what's inside, but yeah, the bag is so heavy. Let's go. Bye-bye, Iligan City. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So here's what happened. My original ticket was supposed to be at 4 p.m. but Kokalyong texted me 3 times yesterday and today that our trip is cancelled. But luckily my uncle and my cousin is working in the Coast Guard, told me that there's a trip at 10 p.m. But unfortunately Kokalyong did not texted me. They did not tell me that we need to reissue our ticket, which is really bad. Because even the terminal personnel doesn't know that rule, because if they knew it, they would prompt us to go back to the office and reissue our ticket. Take note that we arrived at the terminal an hour before and then just found out that I need to reissue my ticket when I was about to board. And for how many years I've been riding Kokalyo yung shipping lines. This is my first time experiencing this issue. Sige na lang, thank you na lang sa special trip kaysa ka ng next day pa may mo larga kay it would be another dilemma. So just gonna end my vlog here. I hope you enjoyed your Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed this video, even if it's a rant video. Please like this video, share this video if you had fun or if you gained information or if you experienced the same kind of thing just as mine. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell right there below and share peace and love. Bye bye.